So, what's the difference between rational and irrational numbers? Let's look at this briefly. Let's start with rational numbers. Imagine you have a round pizza and want to share it fairly with your friends. You can use rational numbers to figure out how much each person gets. These are numbers you can write as a fraction, like half the pizza, quarter of the pizza, or even 3/8 of a pizza. Rational numbers are like these pizza slices. You can always divide them into smaller and equal pieces. Rational numbers can be expressed as a fraction. But what if you want to share a pizza with an irregular shape? No matter how many times you cut it, you won't be able to cut exact slices that fit the shape perfectly. This is where irrational numbers come in. They are like the diagonal of the pizza. You can't express them as a simple fraction, no matter how hard you try. Here's a quick way to remember the difference. Rational numbers can be expressed as a fraction like pizza slices you can share equally. You could also say a rational number is any number that can be expressed as a fraction, where the numerator, which is the top number, and denominator, which is the bottom number, are both integers or whole numbers, and the denominator is not zero. Some examples of rational numbers are 1, 1/2, -3, and 2,75. All these can all be written as fractions. On the other hand, irrational numbers cannot be expressed as a simple fraction. You could also say an irrational number is a number that cannot be expressed as a fraction of two integers, and its decimal representation goes on forever without repeating. Some examples of irrational numbers include the square root of 2 and pi. These have endless decimal expansions and can't be written as fractions.